A sophisticated banking scam involving Chase Bank and Zelle has been making the rounds for several years. Well, it recently cost one woman $1,900. She told Two on Your Side's Brittany Weiss she'll stop at nothing to get that money back.
This woman was duped by someone who claimed to be helping her stop a fraudulent payment, when in reality, they were the ones stealing her money.
$1,900.50 gone, wiped from Terra Warrior's bank account in August. It all started with a text message.
Are you attempting to send money through Zelle for $2,000?
Warrior replied, N-O.
Seconds later, my phone rang. It was Chase Bank.
Or so you thought.
The caller ID showed it was an 800 number. What happened next seemed legit.
So he asked me to verify deposits, which I did.
Warrior says the person on the line was calm and professional and even gave her his name.
He says, my name's Charles Jennings.
Charles Jennings asked her to plug in some numbers, and that would recover the money. Little did she know.
Somewhere or somehow he was in my account before then.
She was put on hold. It was then that Warrior decided to double check.
So I hurried up and called another Chase Bank, and I had him on three-way.
She had Chase Bank and this Charles Jennings on the phone together. She told Chase she was being scammed and asked to stop all transactions. Charles Jennings hung up while Warrior remained on the phone with Chase Bank for an hour, assured fraudulent transactions would be credited to her account within 10 business days. Then later that night, the payment went through. Chase, unable to stop it.
I reported it in the middle of the scam. I didn't wait a day. I didn't wait an hour. I'm doing it right, live. I'm giving them a live action of it, and they're still ignoring me. That's what's got me really ticked off.
Warrior has since filed 2 fraud claims with Chase. They've both been denied. Back to that 800 number that called.
Welcome to Chase. Para español, oprima el asterisco.
When you call it back, it's a Chase Bank number, but the caller ID was fake. Warrior never suspected a scam until it was too late.
I mean, who knows now?
With her $1,900.50 gone, her trust is out the window, too.
I asked Chase Bank about its deposit account agreement it has with customers and whether it was followed in Warrior's case. They didn't address that, but did say if you receive a call from someone claiming to be from Chase Bank, the best thing to do is to hang up and call the number on the back of your debit or credit card. A bank won't call to ask you to verify information, but they may need to verify information when you call them. Two on Your Side, Brittany Weiss, WBRZ News 2.